English shorthand dictation speed 80 word per minute. Dictation start in 5 seconds. Start. A state of emergency can be declared by the President of India when there is an external danger to the security of the country. This power is incorporated in the Constitution, which can be executed by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister, who is the head of the Council of Ministers. A state of emergency can be declared by the President in a financial contingency. Also, the President is the chief executive authority of the country, and all the appointments and decisions are made by the government officers in his name through delegated legislation, but the president has to discharge his functions only on the advice of his council of ministers. He can take the powers of any state government on the recommendations of the governor, who is his nominee, as the head of the state. In accepting the recommendations of the governor, he is supposed to consult his council of ministers. The president cannot act independently in the political affairs of the country, particularly in a democratic form of government or a republic. The deficiency or efficiency of the president depends much on his intelligence, knowledge, and his capability. If he is intelligent, he can influence the decisions of his council of ministers, irrespective of his jurisdiction on certain matters. The vice president is the ex officio chairman of the council of state called the Rajya Sabha. He also acts as a president when the president is not able to function due to illness or is out of the country or is on leave. He is a prospective candidate for the office of the president. As chairman of the Rajya Sabha, the Vice President conducts the proceedings of Upper House. He is the final authority to allow or disallow any member to raise any motion, question, calling attention, special mention, or privilege issue in the House. He recognizes the various political parties or groups in the House and allows time for discussions on the various bills, etc., through the Rajya Sabha Secretariat staff according to their strength in the House. He can direct the Rules Committee of the House to include new rules in the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Rajya Sabha. He can direct the ministries to fulfill the assurances given on the floor of the House by the respective ministers. The main political parties recognized in the Rajya Sabha are as follows. Stop.